Welcome to Luxurious Lifestyle TV, where we bring you luxury. As we always bring you luxurious lifestyle from businesses, hotels, cars, sports. We bring you nothing less but luxury. Today too, we're going to bring you another wonderful episode of our channel, of our episodes, of our programs, for everything. It is going to be wonderful, it's going to be nice. And here we are in SWATSON Hotel, inside Saltpond, opposite Methodist JHS, Bangalore Road, Saltpond. When you come, you are going to feel relaxed, you are going to feel enjoyed. So follow us. Let us introduce you around. Let us take you around SWATSON Hotel, and it is from the offices of Luxurious Lifestyle TV. Don't forget. So this is the entrance to SWATSON Hotel, where you're going to love it, you're going to enjoy yourself. We have everything at our disposal. We have spacious car park, we have our summer hut, where you're going to enjoy. You feel relaxed anytime you come here. We have executive bedrooms. Here you can have your programs as well, conferences and everything. This is how we have a serene environment. When you come, you're going to enjoy. So just take a look around. It is very, very nice, very beautiful, and very serene environment. This is even just the outside. This is even just the environment. When you take you inside, you're going to feel relaxed, you're going to feel enjoyed. Don't be in a haste. Relax and follow us. We will show you the best, nothing else but the best. As always, Luxurious Lifestyle TV we always bring to your way. It is going to be boom. luxury. If you want to enjoy luxurious life, this is where you have to come to. Aside your home, this is another place you can call a home. SWATSON Hotel. When you come, you're going to enjoy. You're going to have fun. This is very spacious. We have our rooms around. And we're going to introduce you to the rooms. This is SWATSON Hotel inside Saltpond, opposite Methodist JHS. Come have fun. Come enjoy yourself with your loved ones, your families, everybody coming from abroad. This is another way of bringing abroad home. This is Luxurious Lifestyle TV. We bring to your comfort homes, we bring to you nothing but luxury. Talk of businesses, talk of hotels, talk of cars, talk of sports, everything. Think of Lifestyle TV. Alright, so let's take you to the rooms where you're going to love it, you're going to enjoy it, you're going to enjoy luxury when you come to SWATSON Hotel. Let me take you to the rooms.